Hi, this is my Java final project, or at least what I've done of it so far. So the project is trying to, or its goal is to be able to display users' investment information as well as input investment information. And yeah, so one of the reasons why it's taking me so long is because of this. It was really difficult to actually figure out how to retrieve stock information and not have it as a CSV file, but actually get it live. And yeah, that took a while because what you actually have to do is, or at least what I ended up doing, was figure out which URL would be correct to display a particular ticker number or a particular date at which that ticker was traded. And on top of figuring out the correct URL, what you also have to do is figure out which HTML element actually contains the price information about the stock. And then you also have to figure out how to retrieve that information. And I actually even had to get a new jar file because the Yahoo Finance pages actually run on React. So when I was trying to retrieve it using the inherent Java retrievers, what was happening is that the HTML content that was being displayed by React wasn't showing up, so I actually had to end up using JSoup instead. And I also had to figure out how to do that, and yeah, that took quite a while. And what I've done so far, I'll show you, is that I have created a introduction page. Yep. And I also created a user identification database, so you can sign up and create a new profile. Let's say Junaid. The user is not case sensitive, but the password is case sensitive, as most websites are. Password. Sign up. User already exists, so let's end up taking Junaid2 maybe. Pass. Sign up. Okay, that one works. And now let's see. Junaid2. And let's see what happens if we input the wrong password. Username does not exist. Oh, because I inputted the Junaid instead of Junaid. Junaid2. Login password entered is not correct. But if we enter the correct password, it takes us to this page. And on this page, what we can do is we can actively retrieve stock information. For example, if I open the MacBook stock app, let's take a look at some of the stock information. Let's say we wanted to get the current Tesla. We get Tesla price in 1025.05. Yeah, let's say we wanted Amazon. 26. And it's not just NYSE or Dow Jones or those markets. It actually goes through all markets, even the OTC markets. So if I'll show you here, let's say we search up something random. KJ, let's see one in Singapore. KJ7.S. I think that's an I. Get price. And so we can see that the price is at 12.3. And so it works. And if we didn't want the current price and instead we wanted the price at a certain date, we could also do that. Oh yeah, and figuring out how to input this hint right here was quite difficult as well. I actually ended up having to use the repaint function to get it there. Let's see if we wanted to figure out the historic Apple information. Let's say 6-9-2003. Let's see if it was traded that day. It looks like on that day the markets were closed, so let's add 3 days, and it should be open that day. Your stock wasn't published. Is that how you spell Apple? Let's see. Oh no, never mind. There's 2 A's. Haha. Apple. There we go. So on Apple, we see that the actual close price was 1.27, and if we adjust for splits and those kinds of things, the adjusted close price was 1.1. And yep, that's what I've done so far. I plan to actually add the components where the user can store their investment information, but that might take me a little while longer. So thank you.